Ah, yes. To an extent, yes. Oh my god, that was so bad. You returned it. Okay, wait. Oh my, that was better though. Ah, good. That was good. It was again in the top. You couldn't even hear that. That was literally easy to reject people when you haven't gotten to the stage of getting to know them. No, I swallowed it back down. Oh, okay. No. Oh my days. Only 6 money did. No. And we only need 6 more to hit the sub goal.